Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Ilya Belly here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called replace elements with greatest element on the right side. Given an array R, replace every element in that array with the greatest element among the elements to its right, and replace the last element with -1. After doing so, return the array. For example, we got this array right here and we return this output. Constraints: the length of that array is greater than or equal to 1 and is less than or equal to the base 10 raised to the power of 4. The value at the position of I into that array is greater than or equal to 1 and is less than or equal to the base 10 raised to the power of 5. Well, all you need is to say for loop int I is equal to array dot length -1. We start moving backwards. Then a variable which is the maximum is equal to -1. You can notice from the description of this problem that the last element is equal to -1 right here. I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. And at each iteration you update the maximum, you pick up the bigger value, add the current position into that array, or array at I is equal to maximum, you update the value into that at that position of I, and finally you return this already modified array, which is R. That's it. Let's run this code. Accept it. Let's submit. Success. Good. So what do we got? Let's look at this example one more time. We got this array R and indices. That's 0 based in Java. You already know that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We start from the end, from back to start, and we say maximum is equal to -1 initially. Then we check that maximum is equal to, we pick up the bigger one, which is 1, or just we update array at I. We got -1, so right here we got -1, right? And we update to 1 right here. Then we decrement I by 1. We are here. We can see that also we need to pick up the bigger one, which is 6, or array at I is equal to 1. So we got 1, and here we got 6. Then you decrement I by 1. You got 4 or 6, right? So you got 6 here and you got 6 as well. Then you are here, you got 5 or 6, right? So you say you got 6, then you decrement I by 1 again, and you have 18, or just here of course you have 6 as well, and here you have here you have 6, right, because of that maximum. And maximum is equal to 18, right, is equal to 18. Then we decrement I by 1 as well, and we have right here 17, or just at I we got 18 right here, and here we got 18 as well. That's it. That's the whole problem. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think. Follow me on social medias, on Instagram, add me on Snapchat. Give me a big thumbs up to support my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.